Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable reverse display on the Canon EOS R50 camera. So the first thing that we're going to do is click on menu, and then we're going to use these four buttons to navigate through the menus, and we're going to go to the camera section and subsection number 3. And then we're going to find the reverse display option, and then we're going to navigate to it and click on set to select it. And here you can enable it or disable it. It's on by default, and once you've selected the option that you want, you can exit out of the menu and the options will be automatically saved. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.